हे गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड राधे राधे टू ऑल ऑफ यू। और आज मैं लेट हूँ पूरा पूरा 1 घंटा सुबह जगने में। और उसके भी कुछ रीजंस हैं। रात में जब मैंने वीडियो एडिट किया तो फिर मेरा हेडेक हो रहा था। और सुबह जब मैं जगी थी एक बार 5 बजे, बट मेरा मन कर रहा था कि मैं 1 घंटा और अच्छे से आराम कर लूँ, ताकि आज के दिन को मैं अच्छे से यूटिलाइज कर पाऊँ और जो स्टडी हो वो काफ़ी प्रोडक्टिव हो। तो ये यार मैटर करता है। कभी आपके साथ भी कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम हो तो डेफिनेटली 1 आध घंटा रिलैक्स करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ज़बरदस्ती स्टडी करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। और रूम की लाइट चली गई है क्योंकि 6 बजे चली जाती है। तो अब मुझे यूज़ करना है कैंडल। दिखाते हैं आपको, बाहर भी अंधेरा है। 6:14 हो रहा है गाइस, और बाहर कंडीशन है ऐसी। कैंडल मैंने जला दिया है। और अब 3 घंटे लाइट नहीं आएगी। 6 AM जाती है तो फिर 9 AM आती है। तो कोई बात नहीं, 3 घंटा मीन्स कैंडल 3 घंटा तो नहीं जलाना होता है। शुरुआत में 1 घंटा जलाते हैं और रोज़ एक कैंडल ही जल पाती है, बस थोड़ा थोड़ा सा उजाला होने लगता है रूम में। This is our timetable for today, and today is 5th December, and this is our fifth day of 75 hard challenge for SPIPO. So I promise myself that from today I will always speak in English, because if we are dreaming for SPIPO, then definitely we have to improve, we have to enhance our speaking as well as reading. That's why guys, today I promise, and I'm going to fulfill. And from today all video will be in English. I have to finish these all the things. And in quantitative aptitude, today I will attempt 2 DI of maths level and 2 CASLET DI, because I am not feeling well for CASLET DI. Always I puzzled. That's why today I promise that every day I will solve like 1 or 2 puzzle, sometime prelims level and sometime maths level. Okay, and miscellaneous type question 30, 40 or 35, whatever. And in reasoning, uncertain puzzle is not good. That's why every day I will solve like 1 or 2 uncertain puzzle, because I always puzzled in uncertain puzzle, and some 3 variable puzzle and some miscellaneous question. And in English, I have to complete perfection batch of I think 5th class today. Okay, and newspaper plus 2 close test. And after I will show that which book at this time I am practicing English. So yeah, definitely I will show when I do this section. Okay, and error detection, if I have enough time to do this thing, then I will do. Otherwise I don't think so, because perfection class length is also sometime like 1.5 hours, sometime more than that. That's why if I have enough time, then I will solve a error. At least I have solved like 20 to 25 if I will not able to solve 30 to 35. Okay, and in general awareness, today I had to complete cracks PDF. You guys know that from where I taken this cracks PDF content. I taken it from SDIQ, and the content creator is like Gaurav sir, Gaurav Garg sir. Okay, you people know very well, because this is a very famous personality. That's why. And today's descriptive topic is impact of NPA on economy, because you know guys, from where I taken these topics for descriptive. I taken these all topics of descriptive, I think 15 to 20 from Vishal sir. You guys know very well that also famous personality of English. He is educator on I think an academy and bankers fee and all. So yeah, you people know all results. So yeah, I have taken all 15 to 20 topic of descriptive from that class. Go and check on an academy, there will be one video, and there we saw sir explain that you can take these important topic for IBPS PO mains, and I taken all topic from that video. That's why I promise myself that every day I will do one topic from that video. And then this is time to take break for 10 minutes, and after then I will start my study again. So yeah, nothing special in my breakfast today, as usual always. Hey guys, so now I'm going to share that from where at this time I'm doing lots of practice of English, means offline content. So yeah, definitely you can buy this book if you want. So this is front side of this book, and here is 93 set in this book, and this book is from MB publication, and I think that MB publication content is good, as I have used lots of book of MB publication. That's why I am saying. Other than, it's your choice that if you want to buy, then you can buy. And today I solve this set. And one thing is very I like this thing, that if I go for one set, that in one set there is one passage and some error and close test and fill in the blanks and everything in one set. and I don't think so that there is huge changes in like before 5 6 7 years. These are PYQs of all banking exams. So yeah, this book I feel nice when I solve. And guys, here I did lots of practice of math and reasoning. I'm a UP board student, and I at this time I want to enhance my English. That's why I started to speak in English, and I want to explain in English, and I want to do everything. I want to even think everything in English. That's why this step I taken from today, that if I will if I will create video, then everything, my content and everything will be in English. And as I expect that you people are well educated and more intelligent than me, so yeah, definitely you will try to understand this thing, that if we can dream for SBIPO, then definitely we have to take some changes inside ourselves. So guys, one of the important thing I'm going to share with all of you, that if we are dreaming for SBIPO and if we are dreaming for an officer in bank, then definitely we have to take some promise, we have to take some initiative, and we have to change our habit, that from today you all guys promise that you will speak always in English. And you are thinking about GA, current affairs or lectures, then definitely you have to listen English language. Okay, you have to, you don't run away from English, because this is not very tough. This is only a language, and I don't think so that English is so tough. Actually, I'm also UP board student. My English is not so good, but I'm trying to improve, I'm trying to enhance my this language, because as I am dreaming that I have to be an officer in bank, then definitely I have to take this change inside of me. Okay, so this is my first step. And today I promise myself that from today I will always speak in English. And as I expect that you guys are well educated and more intelligent than me, so you people will easily understand everything. Guys, I always solve math and reasoning in Hindi, and GA and English always in English. So yeah, so this was important thing which I told you, and which I share with all of you guys. I hope that you people will try to understand that if you are dreaming so high, if you want to be an officer, then definitely you have to take these changes. Okay, and in comment box, some student, if they are interested to do this thing, then they can comment down that they are agree or not with me. Okay, I will wait and I will see all comment. And at this time I'm feeling completely exhausted, so I already given every detail that what I have finished today. And yeah, English content I not share with all of you, as I think that vocab I completed from these two books, and I don't think that every day I have to open these all books and show with all of you guys. And please ignore background voice, because at this time about 10 p.m. and one of my haters was put a comment today's video, and not today's, I think day before yesterday's video. And he was saying that दीदी पहले आप कोई जॉब ले लो फिर बाद में ज्ञान देना. So it's not kind of any ज्ञान, it's not any kind of knowledge. So first of all, you should know, I think you know nothing about me. I have already not one time, not two time, I have already cleared 3 time state level exam. Okay, and I'm not going to join that. You go in my blogging channel and you can check, you can know everything about me. So first of all, I hope that you get my this point. Yes, my reply is only and only for that person, that if you know nothing about me, then please don't spread negativity. This is only and only study area. So please, I don't think that someone come and someone do any argument or any kind of bakwas in my comment box. So if you are seeing my videos and if you are feeling a little bit benefit, then you come. Otherwise, I never invite to these kind of guy. 12, and now it's time to go bed, and at this time I'm feeling completely exhausted.